Y'all, I love when I come first thing in the morning like this, when the sun's hitting it. Look how beautiful it is. Ah, can't wait. Thought we'd come by and see what happened yesterday. I didn't get to come back in the evening. I think they brought our firebox for the fireplace. Man, there's mud everywhere. Let's try to go right here to these rocks. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Creaky's trucks. Ah, there it is. I'm afraid it's too big. Not too big. I don't know. I feel like it's a little too big. I feel like it might need to be a little bit smaller. I don't know. Get all these lines ran, water lines. So exciting. They've been working on HVAC. Let's go in here and see what they've done. Oh, they got it started. Let me go over here so we can go up. Got the return started. Man, y'all, it's looking good. It's getting real. Guess I'll be back today. I think he said that he had the gas company scheduled here all week to finish what they have to do. They have to run the gas lines for the everything that's gas, water heater, the stove, the fireplace, and then they have to do all that HVAC stuff. Oh, they got like where the vents are gonna go. I didn't notice that. They've done that in all the rooms. Let's go see. Oh, that's not where the vent's gonna go. There's gonna be a return in our master. That's what it is. So this is gonna be the main return. It's a lovely place, but we didn't really have any good options. So right in the middle of the hallway. And then that's what that is in our master. Because we're gonna have a small return in here, he said. Let's go back over here. So this is gonna be which honestly the ceiling, like, I'm not sure about the ceiling. Looks good though. I'm excited. It's coming along. So much happening. See my coffee steaming? It's feeling like fall out here, y'all. It is chilly in the mornings. Look at that view. Oh. Let's go back outside real quick. Oh, the sounds of the woods. So peaceful, beautiful. Also, the electrician has been getting the box put in, the electrical panel, look at that. That's exciting. So much going on. It's the gas lines, I believe. Man. They got the gas line brought into the house. Comes in right there from outside. Last video I said I didn't know when or who would do that. Looks like they got it taken care of. Let's step out here and look at it going into the house. I don't want to get in the mud. Oh, well, they've got the pipe ran. It's just not connected yet. Pretty cool. It's awesome how smooth he got this. When he covered that hole up, it's like awesome. What is that? So working on the grade work, he got that pushed up over the bottom of the concrete. That looks good. This is where the heat pump will go. What? What? Vroom vroom. Looks good though. The grade looks good. Taking a nap? Night night. Night night. What do you got in your hand? A tree. He's so tired. You watching Dada?
Da.
You need a nap?
Da.
Yeah?
Bye.
First time playing in your new room?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's not even building.
It's not even built yet. No, but it will be soon.
I want to play in my new room now.
Alright, y'all, we came to check on the house a little bit. The gas company is still here working on HVAC. But Creaky is tired and he is being crazy and just wanting to get into everything. So we're going to head out. Hopefully he'll take a nap. We'll try to come back this evening and see what all they get done. They're also here working on the grade work. I think they're going to take a lunch break, so they're not here right now either. But it's looking good. So just a little quick update for today. But we'll come back this evening and try to get some more footage and see what all they get done. Creaky's just not having it right now. So, all right, garage doors. White. I knew we wouldn't love the white. It's really not as bad as I thought it would be though. Let's get a further back look. With the white windows, it's not the end of the world. I'd really like to maybe try to do like that gel stain that you can do on garage doors to try to make it match the cypress. That kind of scares me too though, but I'd say for now they'll just be white for a little while. But he came late last night and got those in. So let's go inside and see what's happening in here. He's been working on this front grade. Alright y'all, so that's just a little update for today. I think tomorrow the plumber should be back to finish. I think tomorrow. I think the electrician's pretty much done. It's looking good. Coming together. Insulation starting. He's here helping us out. Apparently we were supposed to insulate behind those showers and bathtubs. We didn't even think about it in the time we had those installed. We were supposed to insulate first. So he is here helping us out getting that insulation put in behind those before anything else goes in. And they'll be out to doing an inspection in the next couple of days. I think I've pretty much finalized my kitchen cabinets, decided on navy vanity for the kids' bathroom, white vanity for the master. I think we're just gonna get Lowe's cabinets for the laundry room because I'll need a few, be cheaper. We'll paint those black, and then we're gonna do black on the drop zone, hall tree, whatever you call that little area behind it there. So it'll all kind of blend. I think that'll be cool. I kind of like the idea of doing a dark color in there. Gray, light gray kitchen cabinets. I think I've decided not to do a pot filler. It was making me feel very anxious. Last night we were out here measuring, trying to figure out exactly where it would need to go, which is really hard to do without the stove there. So I don't know, it's kind of making me nervous, and I'm like, is it really worth it? It makes me nervous that it'd be in the wrong place and that I would hate it, and so I'm just kind of like, I don't know how much it would get used anyways, so I'm thinking I'm just going to tell them just to cancel that and not worry about it, just to be on the safe side. But other than that, we're just moving right along. We need to get over here and do some cleaning. I really desperately need to get over here and clean out that garden. Creek has just been in a 2-year-old mood, and so it's been hard to do anything, even just in the house. He's been chaotic mess, but it's coming along. William's off for a few days. He's gonna be over here working. Fall break's coming up, so we're gonna try to do some stuff with the kids and also try to work on the house as much as possible. But it's definitely about to be fall here. I turn this around. There's already leaves on the roof, so you know. Going from where we live now, there are literally no trees around our house in our subdivision, and we're living in the woods now. It's gonna be interesting change for sure. But I'm gonna flip this around and let you see that. I'm excited about the garage doors. One step closer. It's hard to see, but there's leaves up there. Which we don't have gutters yet either. I honestly hate the thought of putting gutters on this thing. In my brain, I feel like it's going to be so ugly, but I know we have to have them. I don't know if we can try to do like a gray, like a dark charcoal. But if it doesn't match, will that look stupid? I don't know. We're going to have to figure that out for sure. Gutters. Yesterday we were trying to figure out and talk about where we wanted our outside spigots. I think I've decided I don't want any on the porch. I think we'll do one in between the garage doors. I really want one over here on this side. So if I have flowers, it'll reach this side. And then I think I want one just right around the corner here, where I was saying that we're gonna put gravel by the porch. I think we will do one back here. This will be the one that will probably get used for back porch flowers, spraying the kids off when they're going to come in from being outside and nasty. Right around here somewhere, I like to have a spigot. I didn't show you all this. They put in a gas line here to hook to the grill. No more tanks, so that'll be nice for the grill. But yeah. It's looking good. It's pretty out this morning. So pretty. Can't wait to live here. So much happening. Yeah, he got all this grade work done too. I was worried about if you'd be able to see that concrete, but there's a savings because he covered it up so we don't want to put anything on it. That'd be good. The next thing will be he has to work on getting the fireplace framed up. Trying to still figure out about that, but Hey y'all, welcome back. There's the house in the background. We're so excited. It's moving along good. Looks like we've got some outside spigots in. He's got all the electrical ran. Waiting on our roughing inspection today. Let's go take a quick peek and see what's happening. So, got the plug-ins. That's the wires for those lights I was talking about. He's got the wires for the lights on the doors. Plug in. To stick it. We've got insulation behind the bathtub and showers. Let's see what's happening.